Hello everybody. Today we're going to go over a mess-free way to make castor oil packs. If you've made them in the past, then you know that they can get all over everything. And so today's project, we're going to need a towel. You're going to need 2 or 3 just inexpensive maxi pads. You may have them kicking around your house somewhere, or you could pick them up at the dollar store, little pack for $1, $1.25, whatever they are. 2 large Ziploc bags. And then I prefer the heat wraps that you can heat up in the microwave, but if you have like a heating pad already, you can use that. And then, of course, your castor oil. So what you're going to do is going to take one of the Ziploc bags here, and you are going to unfold your maxi pads and take the little tape off of it, and then you're going to place it on the edge of the Ziploc bag. So I'm just going to fix the camera so you can see what I'm doing here. So it's on the bag, and then you're just going to place them across. So if you have little wings on yours, you can either cut that off or fold them over so they're out of the way. So I'm just going to finish placing these on here. So this is the second pad, and again, we're just going to place it across side by side. Undo those tabs. So I've got this so far, and then I'm going to put my third one on here. Again, it doesn't really matter what size they are, just as long as they're absorbent. Okay, so now that we've got that, now we're just going to take our castor oil, open it up, and then we're just going to take it and just pour it over, like sprinkle it over our pads. So you don't need a ton. You're just letting it absorb into that cotton of the maxi pads. There. And then once you've gotten that, now your pad is ready to use. So you're just going to place this over your back or shoulders or wherever it is that you want to use your castor oil pack for. And you could even make smaller ones too for small little areas. If you wanted to use it on the forehead for headaches. I came across some research that shows that castor oil, how it works is it stops the production of prostaglandins, which cause pain in the first place. So for a lot of my clients who can't use NSAIDs, so like aspirins and Tylenol and Advil, leaving that, this is like another option. But always check with your doctor to make sure that things are appropriate for you. And then after you put this onto the skin, then that's when you're going to need your towel. So for example, if you are using it on your tummy, you're going to place that castor oil pack with the maxi pads towards you and the plastic on the outside. And then you're going to take your towel. It could either be single or folded because you want to cover that plastic that you've just placed here. And then you can place your heat pack on top of that. Just make sure that if you're using a plug-in heating pad, that it has some kind of shut off to it, or it's on a very low heat because you don't want to heat through that plastic and like melt it. So that's the only thing with this. And then when you're done with your castor oil pack, you can reuse it. So you just take it, you fold it in half, and then that's when that second Ziploc bag comes in handy, because then we're just going to place that into there and we're going to seal it up so that way that oil does not become rancid because it's exposed to air. And then you may need to change it. Like if you've used it for a month, then you may need to make a new one. And probably each time you will need to add a little bit more castor oil to it, because you're going to absorb that into your skin each time that you use it. So I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and have a great day.